Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be doing another one of these 50-pack openings. These boxes come from Amazon. I will have the affiliate link down below. It's been 6 months or more since I've done one of these. They seem to be probably my most popular videos, I would say. Well, right up there with I have do-it-yourself videos as well, and they actually do 1,000 times better than the diecast stuff. But anywho, we will get right into this one here. This is kind of unusual. Usually they do put it in a brown box. You can see how smashed up this arrived. So I'm kind of not real happy about that when it came last night and I was at work and I could see the guy pretty much chuck it on my back porch. So I'm not sure. I don't think that's where that major dent came from, but I did pre-slit the bottom of this. We're gonna get started right away. Get right into it. Alright. The backstory on these they used to be like $48 for the 50 pack. I think I paid $53 or $54 now for this. They used to be a better deal. It's still a good deal, especially if you have kids or you want to donate like the fantasy cars out of the grouping to like a local children's hospital or something like that, which is normally what I do with all these is I bundle them up and then I give them to Christmas time at Toys for Tots, and I'll just keep like the realistic cars for myself. So we'll get right into it. It looks like from what I just saw here, it looks like E&F cars cases. The way that these, and they are short cards, which is cool because we're not used to that here in America. The short cards is very unusual. I don't know about this, the way that they're doing the coating on the top here. From what I saw already, I see like a green square body Chevy. They're E&F cases cars, it looks like, that are in here. So I'm not sure what this I don't know. It's hard to I'm not sure how to translate that. But anyway, Cardasada. I don't know if I've ever seen that one in the store. So it's like a taco car thing, fantasy one, obviously. Next we have Let's Go. Oh, this is a nice one here, the Lowrider. It's fantasy, but it is a Lowrider fictional car. It's really nice, called Lay-In Lowrider. I was thinking maybe, oh, it does, the motor moves back and forth as you waddle it down the road. If you move it, they show like a little picture there. The motor will go back and forth. That one's really nice. It's just cool to see these in the short cards. We have the Liberty Walk Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15. Like I said, I'm pretty sure these are E&F cars. I think, yeah, there's another one right here. So I'll just go ahead and I'll pull the doubles out right away so the video doesn't go on forever. So there's another one. You get two of them. And is that another SATA thingamajig? Yeah, I think it is. Yep. So there's another Let's Go. We'll put that over here with the other Let's Go. And another one of the Cardasada. We'll put that over here. We have the 71 Dodge Charger. That's pretty cool in the art series. It's pretty nice. And I did see another one, I thought, yeah, right here, I think. Yep, so we got two of those. Repaint of the 55 Chevy. This time it's like a burgundy, or I guess you'd call it candy apple red. I think the last one was what, dark blue. And I think there's another one of them in here. Thought I saw another one right here. So we've got two of them, which is pretty nice. Cool to see them in the short card. Bogzilla, which is also, I guess, you could put a Lego figure in it. I'm not sure if I think there's another one of them right here. There's a lot of duplicates. That's Bogzilla. Lethal Diesel, which is a kind of weird looking Hummer, squash down Hummer H1 or something. Let's see if there's another one of them so we can just get rid of it right away. Maybe not. I don't see another one. A Baja Bone Shaker. It looks like there's only one of these square body 83 Chevy Silverado tuned cars in here. There's only one of those you get in the whole box. And speaking of square bodies, I'm just going to go ahead and pull them out. I see 3 of them right off the bat. This is probably one of my favorites out of the case besides the Silhouette Racer. I think that I'm not a big Chevy fan myself. I have a Ford F-150, but I love this Chevy, especially in the green. That's just beautiful. Love that. So getting 3 of them is like a treat. Really cool. Another one I saw, I think there's 3 in here, oddly enough, is the McLaren F1 in black. I saw 3 of them in here. Pretty sure. I thought I did. There's 2. Yeah, there's 3 of them in here, so that's cool. Like if you're really into the McLaren F1s. This is not a guaranteed selection, by the way. I'm not sure how they pack these, and I get a lot of people asking me questions. Have you ever found a regular treasure hunt or a super treasure hunt? I have not. I did have a couple people write me in the past and say that they've heard of people, but no one knows for sure. I suspect you could probably find a regular treasure hunt, perhaps. I highly doubt you'd ever find a super. I've never heard of anyone finding a super treasure hunt in one of these 50 packs. So here we have the Barbie Extra little car thing. It's basically for girls, it looks like to me. It's got duck wings on the side. I don't know. So my daughter's not even into Barbie, so if I tried to pass that off to her, she wouldn't want anything to do with it anyway. We get 2 of the Glory Chasers, which is a really nice retro style race car. It's really nice. Get 2 of those. We have the 70 Chevelle SS Wagon. I think there's 2 of them in here. Yeah, there's the other one. That's really nice in the dark blue. I was gonna say, I thought I saw that one. There's 2 of this one right off the bat. The Nissan Leaf Nismo RCO2 in red. It's pretty nice looking. Got 2 of those. And then we have the Bel Air, the Big Air Bel Air, which is in a new matte black. It says "Get Big Air" on the side with a bird, hawk or eagle or something. Pretty cool. I'm not sure if I think that might be the only one like that in there. Oh, we got 3 of the wagons. There's another wagon. So there's another wagon. So that's another one that's nice. You get 3 of that one. Skull Crusher. Obviously fancy car. Not sure if that's the only one. There's another one right here at the bottom. So you got 2 of the Skull Crushers. Kids love the fancy ones like that. Porsche 935 in black. I love this. The gold and black reminds me of the old John Player Special cigarette sponsored Lotuses and other race cars of the 70s, early 80s. I think there's 2 of them in here. So this is pretty much my favorite out of the whole entire box, just because it's also in short card, which is really cool. So we get the Porsche 935. We have the tuned Volkswagen Golf Mark 1. And it looks like there's 2 in the box here. That's nice too. Now the last one was white, I believe. So this is another repaint. We have the Cockney Cab 2. And not sure. Looks like that might be the only one. We got 3 of the Skull Crushers. So there, I just found another Skull Crusher. I'm not sure why they put 3 of those in there. Bubble-matic. Let's see. Bubble-matic. There's Bubble-matic. Oh, here's another Cockney cab too. So you get 2 of those. Another Barbie extra. Oh, here's the other Chevy, the other Big Air Bel Air. So you get 2 of them, which is nice. They're pretty cool. I know there's people who collect just that one. Oh, here's another tuned Rabbit, which is cool. The Mark 1 Golf / Rabbit. That's cool. Rennen Rig, which is kind of like a German, that series where they used to race the semi trucks or whatever. That's what that's inspired by. Renn means race in German. I don't know if I've ever seen that one anywhere in stores. Of course, another repaint of the 85 Honda City Turbo 2. So we got a repaint of that one. Cosmic Coupe. Lots of fancy cars in this box. Hyper Rocker. It's in a repaint. Oh, another Rennen Rig. Very plasticky looking though. The whole body is plastic. So I'd assume the base is metal on this because everything else is plastic. And last but not least, another Hyper Rocker. Yeah, Rocket. No, Rocker. Almost said Rocket, but that's in the Rescue series. You get 2 of those. So that's it. That's all of them. What do you guys think of that selection? Not too good this time. It's kind of sad you only get one of the tuned to the Silverado. That's kind of crappy, but so yeah, I'll probably donate pretty much all these except for the ones that I pointed out that I really liked a lot. So that's that. Hope you guys like that. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. It's free. You can't beat free. And until next time, I will see you guys later. All right, you guys have a good night, and I will talk to you soon. All right, bye now.